What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome back to your daily Ethereum update. I hope you're all doing great, obviously. But in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick recap of what happened yesterday. So if you missed that, you will learn everything about that, but we'll also talk about the price, what's going on and what's going to happen next. All right, so with that, well, just at the beginning, I'm probably going to name the video something like a new Ethereum rally coming up or something. That's not clickbait. There's a realistic chance of doing that, at least, and I'm assuming that this is not a bull trap. All right, this could still be a bull trap, but I'm really, excuse me, there's a fly here. Get out of here. But I'm assuming this is not a bull trap, and I'm assuming that upon the factor that I am 100% comparing what's happening right now, with the 13th of July. Yesterday we got a higher than expected inflation rate, as most of you know, but then we dropped down initially and then we went up, and that also happened the 13th of July. We had a higher than expected inflation rate, dipped initially quite hard as well, as you can see, even at lower levels, and then we went up. So I'm not saying we're going to have a rally like this, because a part of the fuel behind this rally was also the merge coming up in the 2 months, and there was a lot of news about the merge, but still I do think we can get a rally up to like 1600 at the end of October. But more about that in the upcoming weeks. First, let's actually take a look at the short term, all right? Because that's usually what I cover, the short term and some of the news and the fundamentals. First of all, volume is amazing again. It's around 20 billion. They got rid of the statistic that shows the volume in relation to the market cap, which is a shame, but this is about, yeah, I don't know. I cannot do the calculations this fast. Like 12, 14% maybe. But that's great. It's very healthy volume. And if you take a look at the price, what you can see is that we got a big bullish breakout earlier today. Broke out above 1300, which is an amazing thing. Now found resistance at around 1330 and 1340. I mean, even though I'm fairly bullish, as you can tell, there's still a lot of resistance levels we need to break with Ethereum. So right now, the most likely scenario to me even seems that we'll drop down towards that 1300 level. But due to my whole bias, I mean, you have to realize I have quite a strong bias as to what I expect is going to happen from the crypto markets. So I apply that to almost every crypto I analyze. So if that bias is wrong, almost all analysis of mine in the upcoming day are wrong. But I'm fairly confident. So at least I think we're going to drop down to 1300. If we can stay above 1300, or at least this level between 1290 and 1300. I'd say it's correct, because I think we're dropping down there, and then I think we're going to get a little bit higher up on this resistance level, so up to like 1350, 1360, and I think somewhere, I mean, it's going to be hard because there's a lot of resistance at especially 1360. But still, I expect us to somewhere probably at the beginning of next week. All right, we have to be realistic, somewhere there to break above that, to break out of this consolidation between 1300 and 1360, and to move up to 1400. But obviously, I'll update that more throughout the days, and I'll be back tomorrow with another update on specifically this. But for now, I think that's everything I wanted to say, and that's my analysis on Ethereum. So if you found it valuable, please consider subscribing. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.